As you saw, this is a pretty easy recipe to make, but I did want to honor the food that Linda Ronstadt grew up with. In Sonora, in Arizona and Mexico, that border that she lived on gave us a lot of interesting Southwest flavors. So the last thing we have to do is just dish it up. And once again, the cheese was not cooked at all in the dish. What you want to do is take some of the cheese and just put it on the bottom there, obviously. And then we'll take the soup and just add it to the bowl. And two more things. I'm going to set this down right here. We do have the chili, and this is raw. And then I thought it might look good just to put a little cilantro. And there's your dish, and that is Sonoran cheese soup. Light, kind of fun and easy. And let me just say one more thing. Queso, hard like this, it's really good. Nutty, creamy, and full body, full flavor.